Hello friends, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you what are the best monthly billing web hosting plans. Means what are the web hosting plans those offers actually monthly basis payment option. So mostly we know that whenever you are buying a web hosting plan, you have to buy at least for 1 year. Yes, whatever the popular hosting companies like SiteGround, Bluehost, they always offer hosting plans with minimum purchase period of 1 year. But what if you don't want to go for a 1 year plan, you just want to pay on a monthly basis? So in this video I'm going to share those few web hosting companies who offer monthly basis hosting plans. So before proceeding further, let me show you that my blog is on SiteGround GoGig plan. Now that plan also I purchased for 3-year hosting, because if you go for a monthly billing plan, what will happen, your web hosting cost will increase. So that's the reason I always recommend people to buy hosting for at least 3 years. But again, if you want to buy for monthly basis, so these are the few of the web hosting plans. One is A2 hosting, second one is, you can say, HostGator, third one is Cloudways, and fourth one is WPX hosting. So these are few of the reliable web hosting plans who offer monthly billing plans. Now let me show you them one by one. In this list of monthly billing web hosting plans, A2 hosting is one of my favorite. Not only that, they are actually one of the beginner friendly, they are cost effective, their servers are very fast. You can see that they offer you unlimited SSD space, free and easy site migration. So right now A2 hosting is the only company who offer free website transfer. So SiteGround has made it premium, Bluehost has also made it premium. So top 3 WordPress recommended hosting companies according to me are like SiteGround, A2 hosting and Bluehost. Now out of these 3, only A2 hosting now provides free website transfer. Other than that, automatic backup, anytime money back guarantee, 99% uptime. So A2 hosting is actually a complete WordPress hosting, or a complete hosting package for WordPress websites, so you can easily trust on them. Okay, so now if I have to show you whether they really offer monthly billing option or not, and how much it will cost you actually, so then that will be, so let's say we'll start with their free initial plan only, 66% off. Let's click on this, get started. I just want to reach to the so Drive is their best plan for beginners. So if you go with the startup plan, so you will get access to only one website. So you can see that if you just, instead of 2.99, if you're ready to pay 4.99, you will get a lot of amazing feature, unlimited website, unlimited SSD storage. So as a beginner, you can consider Drive as the best A2 hosting plan. So now let me click on Get Drive. So register domain name, transfer domain name. I will use my existing domain name. So let me put bloggingjoy.com. Okay. Fine. Now the coupon discount has applied. Okay, fine. Now here is the interesting thing, billing cycle. Okay, so now click on this drop down. So you can see that 1 month price will be around $13. So that's not what exactly we have seen on the homepage. So if you buy for 3 years, if I have to show you again, so let me open that, click on Get Started. So you can see that, so starting at $4.99 USD monthly. Okay, so now this is not exactly 4.99. So if you want to buy A2 hosting for 1 month, you have to pay $13. But if you want to buy A2 hosting for, let's say, 1 year, around 12 months, it will cost you around $107. If you buy for 36 months, now only this cheap price, $4.99 per month, will applicable on A2 hosting pricing plan. Okay, so that's the difference between monthly billing and like longer term billing. So definitely, if you are looking for a monthly billing plan, so I would say A2 hosting is the number 1 in this list. It will cost you around $13 per month. Okay, so that's all about A2 hosting. So HostGator is another cheap and reliable hosting company. You can see that right now they are running a discount of around 70% off. So let me click on Start Saving. So it will cost you 2.08 per month. So again, in HostGator also, I will not recommend you to go for this Hatchling plan because it is having only single domain. Personally, I do not like single domain plans because this plan and this plan doesn't have much difference. You can see that, but with this much of little extra amount, you will get unlimited domains. So that is what you need, because you never know how many websites you are going to start on your hosting. So do not buy a single domain hosting plan. Okay. Anyway, let's click on baby plan. So we'll try to see how much it will cost for 1 month. Okay. So now you can see that 36-month plan. Again, if you buy for 36 month, you will get a 70% discount price, 2.98 per month. But if you want to buy for 1 month, it will cost you again around $12. Okay, so it's $12, so it's around $13. So you can see that if you want to buy HostGator for 1 month, it will cost you $12 per month. But if you go for 36 month, you will get a 70% discount. Okay, so that's all about HostGator. Now CloudWise is undoubtedly the #1 cloud hosting company. If you want better speed, if you do not want to try shared hosting or WordPress hosting, you can easily start your blog on CloudWise. Their infrastructure, their support, their servers are very optimized. Their servers are very fast. If you really want to buy or try a cloud hosting plan, then CloudWise is undoubtedly the #1 choice for you. So just let's click on the pricing. Now cloud hosting has some interesting thing. It's like you can buy hosting from different other servers, like from DigitalOcean, from Linode, from Vultr, from Amazon AWS, from Google Cloud. So you can see that based on the hosting company you choose, they will give you the cloud server from those companies. Now the cheapest plan of CloudWise is $10 per month. Okay, you do not have to pay extra to DigitalOcean nor a DigitalOcean account. So this one is a monthly billing plan. Okay, so you can see that monthly. You can also buy for hourly also. So again, here you can see that if you go for a monthly billing option, CloudWise will offer you $10 per month. That's the cheapest one. If you go for HostGator, it will be around $12. If you go for A2 hosting, it is $13. So if you compare CloudWise monthly billing plan with other two, definitely it's not other tools are not at all profitable. A2 hosting and HostGator is only profitable if you go for a longer period of time. Okay, so that's all in CloudWise. Now next one is WPX hosting. So that is a little bit of expensive compared to the others, because they provide managed WordPress hosting plans. So if you go to their pricing option, so you can see that if you buy on an annual basis, you will get this kind of a discount, $20, almost $21 per month. But on a monthly basis, it's around $25 per month. So it is quite expensive. So if I have to get started, so let's say host on US, I'll show you whether actually they provide. Okay, hosting only. I need a domain name also, not required. Let me click continue. Okay, I have not entered the domain. Let me put my domain. So you can see that if you are moving to the annual plan, then you can save some money. Otherwise, you can continue with around almost $25 per month. Okay. So if you want annual plan, you can apply the coupon here. Okay, so you can see that. So monthly basis you can buy, but it's comparatively costly. If you have bandwidth, if you have budget, if you have some solid blogging plan, then definitely WPX hosting will give you one of the best performance compared to all of them. But as a beginner, if you want best performance, then A2 hosting or CloudWise are two of the best hosting companies. Cost wise, definitely you can say that HostGator is comparatively very cheap among them. So these are few of the good hosting companies who offer monthly billing payment option. If you want to buy for 1 month and try them, definitely you can do that. So you can buy it hosting for 1 month, you can either buy it HostGator for 1 month, you can buy CloudOS for 1 month. But the thing is, 1 month is a very short period of time in blogging. If you start a blog, then I'm sure you'll at least try your blogging luck at least for 1 year. So at least make sure you buy any hosting for 1 year actually, instead of buying the monthly billing process. So that's all in this video. If you find this video useful, feel free to like this video and also share this video, and also subscribe to my channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you get the notification immediately. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.